guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are working on Albert again. It's Halloween weekend, like the weekend before Halloween, and we are busy just working on Albert's roof just up there today because there's a couple of leaks inside. We've got a leak above the kitchen, there's a skylight there, and there's also another leak coming through on the mirror on the inside. So we just want to have a look and see what it's like up there, find out where it's coming through, how damaged it is, what do we need to do to fix it. So yeah, and give it all a good clean and everything. So we're going to start that this morning. Kevin is just removing the old mastic from the roof, and then everything will be cleaned off and we'll be able to replace it again before attaching everything back on. And I'm hoping that you can hear me because it is really super noisy. Cleaned up there. We've removed the roof box, we've removed the metal bars that the roof box was connected to. That's all now been cleaned, all of the mastic has been removed, and Kevin, I say we, I just pass him things, he does all the work, but he has cleaned it all, it's all mopped. So now we're just waiting for it to dry. So while that happens, we're going to go inside and we're going to have some lunch. Yeah. On 5. Kevin's making omelette.
That should be enough, shouldn't it?
You sure you don't want parsley in it?
No, definitely not.
It's really nice.
Put it on the garden then.
I've just picked it out of the garden for our omelette. Them clouds look rainy.
Yeah, it's going to rain.
Better be quick then, aren't we? Just putting the metal bars back on the roof from where the roof box sits. Just going to replace the mastic on them just to make sure that we've got nice seals where the screw holes are. Done everything that we can do today up on the roof. We've and lots of sealing and cleaning and taking old mastic off and putting fresh on, and hopefully that is enough. But we'll find out. Overnight it's going to rain. It's going to start about 9 o'clock tonight. There's already clouds. It is, I mean, you can't see it here, but there's a lot of clouds. There's a lot of clouds around. The sun's going down, and in the morning we will, well, depending if it's dry again, we'll be able to get up, get inside and see if there's anything else leaking. We know that there's probably going to be quite a bit of water in the reinforced roof anyway, because it's been saturated so much, so there may well be a little bit of leakage still, but it shouldn't be at the level of what we've had the last few days. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we've sorted it out. Okay, goodbye.